Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lighting studio by using Cinema 4D. It's easy. Let's go. Create cube. Scale. Scale it. Move tools. Move tools and up. Choose pen. Put the first point, another point, and another point. Now, make this line straight. Okay? Like that. Like that. Okay. Double click and make Y value 0. Yeah. Press OK. Also, Y value 0. Yeah. Y value 0. And up your point. Like that. Okay. Go to this point, right click and choose chamfer. Left click and drag your mouse. Like that. Yes. That's it. Now, make sure the spline on and choose extrude. Movement. Like that. Yes. Move this in the middle. And we want to move the axis also. Okay. Like that. Move the axis in the middle. Okay. Okay. Like. Okay. Rotate cube. Like that. 45 degrees and apply. Up. Okay. Now we want to put a light. Go to light and choose area light. Okay. Back. Up. Back. And rotate the light 90 degrees. Make it smaller. Yes. Go to details and pull off inverse square. Smaller. Yes. Up. Yes. And now let's see the light. Okay, maybe we want to move the light. Okay. And okay. Like that. Now copy and paste the light, move the light and rotate. Okay. 0. Yes. Now move the light on this side like that. Copy and paste. Another side like that. Yes. Also copy and paste and move it up. Rotate the light like That is 90 degrees. Yes. We will change the color. Choose any color you want. Like that. Okay. Create material. On extrude. Another material. Double click. Color. Texture. Gradient. Double click. Yes. 2dB. Choose any color you want. I will choose this color and okay, this color. Okay. Reflection. Add word. Yes. And cube and black and this is our step. Yes, this is our step. Now, if you like my video, don't forget like and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.